Hello YouTube. I'm here doing a little video for Champion Company of generators. This generator is a portable generator. It's 4375 starting watts and running at 3500 watts. I appreciate my brother sending this for New York City because of the tragedy that passed in Puerto Rico with Hurricane Maria. And the only thing I can do for after he sent me the generator is I can give light some thing in the house, refrigerator, and have the breathing machine for my father for the oxygen, and have some TV. To he's handicapped, and I hope you guys. I really recommend this generator from Champion. This is just a little video I just threw out right there. I didn't even prepare it, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. And sorry for the video. The part looks the whole way around. I had the front face camera, and I apologize for that. But I hope you guys subscribe to my channel and thumbs up if you like the video. And I hope you guys can. If you guys need any Champion product, hit them on the website. They are very reliable, and I'm very, very, very satisfied with this machine, this company that my brother bought for me. I appreciate for everything. Take care. God bless, and enjoy the video. Sayonara.